All right, Peanut.
Do I have to hold it or no?
Yeah. No, you don't have to hold it. And try a little bit.
What the hell is that?
Want to try a little bit more?
It's delicious.
I'm not sure. Oh, oh.
Hit the moving target.
He's more interested in the camera than he is the food.
That's okay.
Come on. Oh, oh.
Ah, it's so
Oh,
delicious. Hit the moving target, mommy. I like you dumping it in his
Oh,
mouth.
Give him a second.